Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me for another one. I'm excited about this video because again, we're testing new makeup products. Probably my favorite thing to do. I hope you're as excited as I am because we are testing the e.l.f. x Chipotle palette. This palette went viral and sold out instantly. Oh my gosh. Now, before we get into everything, please give this video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And also subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every Monday and Wednesday, and it helps out my little channel so much. So, let's get started. As you know, e.l.f. and Chipotle came out with a collection. It took a little bit to get here because there was a winter storm that kind of hit and delayed everything. But this came out on March 10th. If you have e.l.f.'s beauty membership, you get everything that releases, you get it the day before. So I am a member of e.l.f.'s beauty membership. And so March 9th I went on and I was like, oh, it's the day before, I don't have to worry. So I went on in the afternoon to get this collection. By the time I went on, everything in this entire collection was sold out except for the palette. The palette was actually almost sold out too. So it almost sold out before it even hit the market. So that's crazy and I'm really glad to get my hands on it. I haven't tested it or anything yet, so let's get started. Let's open it first. So this is kind of what it looks like on the outside. It's just silver. It says e.l.f. x Chipotle. Then you open it. It's got a handy dandy mirror. And look at these colors. Oh my gosh. Do they make you hungry? They make me hungry. They make me want like a vegan fajita bowl so bad, but everything is based off of food. Obviously, you could see all the names on there too, and it's like guac, salsa, lettuce, hot salsa, pinto beans, you know. Everything is food related. So we're gonna dive in. As you can see, I have everything else. My face is completely done other than my eyes. So it has this little plastic wrap on it that has the names on it. And it makes me a little sad because in order to use this, you got to take the plastic wrap off, and then there's no other way to see the names. So once the plastic wrap comes off, you either keep it and try to memorize all the things, or you can't care about names that much. Let's open this up. All right, so now we're gonna take the little plastic piece with all the names off, and here's what it looks like. So pretty, oh my gosh. Okay, let's swatch them, right? Let's swatch. We're gonna go this way. So let's start with the green here. Okay. Okay. Pretty decent green, all right. And then we got the sparkly green next to it, okay. Ooh, oh, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh. All right, let's go down to this kind of greenish duochrome green brown color. That's what it looks like. Duochrome, oh, it's got some red undertones. Oh, okay, I like that color. That's so pretty. Then let's go to this bright orange. Wow, okay, pretty pigmented so far. Wow, oh my gosh. Wow, I have like no words for that. That is bright. Oh my gosh. Wow, okay. And then let's go to the yellow. That's right here. Ooh, oh, there's like glitter. There's glitter flakes in it. I don't know if you could, can you see it? Okay. Oh, that's also so pretty. All these colors are they look so gorgeous. Okay, okay. e.l.f. is killing it so far. I love e.l.f. So, and then we're gonna go to this color right here. Ooh. Another orangey red color, okay. Ooh. Again, so pretty. I'm loving it. All right, let's go down to this long shade right here. It's more of a sparkly brown shade. Okay. You could still see, I wiped it off, but you could still see that bright red underneath. Ooh, oh, that's a pretty color. I like that color. That's so cute. Okay. I'm into, it's making me really hungry. All right, let's go up to Pinto, I believe this one was called Pinto Beans. A beautiful matte mid-tone brown. Okay. Perfect, that's a really nice solid brown color. Mid-tone brown, love that. Okay, let's go to the side and go to this brownish purple. It kind of has purple undertones to it. Okay, that's a very dark brown. Hint of purple. Okay. Very pretty. That's a nice dark brown, hint of purple in there. Reminds me of like black beans, like the color of black beans. All right, and then let's go down one to this sparkly dark purple. Ooh, oh, it's like duochrome, okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, that color is so pretty. That's so pretty, oh my gosh. Oh, I really like that color. And then we have the last two, and these are probably the two lightest shades, so it's kind of funny that they put them behind the dark shades. But here's a nice, like, white-ish, champagne-y color, you know? That's very light. You can almost can't see it on my, can you see it? You can almost can't see it on my skin tone. If it wasn't reflective, you wouldn't be able to see that. And then the last color is this really light gold shade. Very pretty, okay. Again, very light, a very light shade. They're so pretty, let's see. And this is the whole palette on my arm. So pretty, I love all these shades. These greens, I feel like I'm gonna end up doing like a greeny red look, because those shades are just really calling my name right now. Remind me of like salsa and guacamole. So hungry right now. So now that I've swatched everything, right, let's actually put it on the eyes, right? That's the whole point. We gotta see how they look on the eyes. Now before I put any eyeshadow on, I always put a base on because I think that's fair to the eyeshadows. Some people like to do it without a primer, but I always put a concealer or a base on under, so I'm gonna do that as I normally would. So I'm gonna take the Beauty Bay eye base, looks like this, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on the eyes so that we can really see the color pop. Now that that's blended in, I'm gonna take a blender brush here. This is the Beauty Bay Round the Blend brush. And I feel like you gotta start, I'm gonna start with just very lightly because that was a very pigmented mid-tone brown. I'm gonna take that mid-tone brown. I'm gonna get closer to the camera. Hello. I'm gonna use the little mirror that it comes with because we love a mirror. And I'm just gonna kind of put that in the crease. And I'm being very light with this because I know it's gonna be, it's already, I'm being so light and it's already coming out. Because I know I usually go for a slightly lighter brown for a crease color. So I'm gonna be so light with it. Ooh, pigmented. I'm gonna blend that into the crease. Be very gentle with it because I don't want it to get too dark. Comment down below if you got this collection yourself, if you were able to get it, because my gosh, it sold out so quickly. So comment down below if you got it, if you've used it, what your thoughts are on it. I'd love to hear it. So that blended out very nicely. Nice and light. I kept it very light because it could have gotten really dark really quickly. All right, now that we got a nice crease color going, I also did the other eye. I'm going to take this beautiful green shade because I kind of want to use the green and like orangey red shades today. Kind of create like a very salsa guacamole look. You know what I mean? And I'm just gonna kind of put that over the brown, kind of in the same spots. It is quite pigmented. Looking good. Greens can be patchy sometimes, so I always like to just really work with them and blend them nicely. But I think it's looking pretty good. Now I think for this look, I wanna do a cut crease look. So we're gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna take my favorite Colourpop concealer, and then I'm just gonna cut out the lid of my eye. All right, now that we have successfully created our crease here, I wanna use this, I'm gonna use this yellow right here. I'm gonna take it on a bit of a packing brush. A lot of fallout on that one. And we're gonna put it in the front half of the lid here. Ooh, okay, coming out quite pigmented there. Loving it. Ooh. Ooh, I like that. I really like that. Ooh, I really like that. That's super pretty. Okay, what color do I do next? I kind of want to use the green, go yellow, green, and then into that really intense orange. Yes, let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, so pretty. Look how pigmented that's coming out. I love it. It's so pretty. Also, I realize my cut creases aren't perfect. I don't do them often. So when I do, sometimes they look a little iffy, but they look okay. It's fine. I'm gonna blend that into the yellow one there. Blend it out a little bit. Not that this is gonna be a super blended look. I think I'm going very dramatic on this. This isn't just a casual look you'd put together. I feel like this is gonna look very festive. Remember, it's Chipotle theme, so I'm thinking about foods and those types of foods right now. So pretty. Okay, and now I really wanna do that really intense orange, guys. We're gonna do it. We're gonna go for it. Ready? So pretty, it's so pretty. Wow, it's very bright. I love it. I like it. It's very pretty. It's not very, you might be like, why are you matching all these colors together? I think they go okay, but like, there's a ton of looks you could do with this. You could go really subtle. You really could. I'm just trying to show you as many. This is a pretty large palette for e.l.f. e.l.f. does a lot of small palettes. So I'm just trying to show you a bunch of different colors, you know? So you can kind of see what's out there, right? So now I'm gonna take one of my really small pointed brushes, and we're gonna smoke out the lash line. Let's do the purple, like the dark purpley brown color, right? Just smoke it out underneath. And let's try and take that like really light white champagne. I'm just gonna take it on my finger, and let's kind of use that as a inner corner highlight. Right? And also on the bottom lash line, I want to add a little bit more of the red. I'm going to add that sparkly red under there. This one, I'm also going to add that to it as well. So it's not just dark purple. Kind of add some more red into it, especially at the front half, like right in here, you know? Now I will say some of these shadows, quite a bit of them, do have some fallout, just so you are aware. It tends to happen. Fallout doesn't really bother me that much, but for some people, they really don't like it. Yeah, there we go. Adding some red into that. All right, I kind of like that. I'm gonna go put some lashes on super quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that I have put on some eyelashes and some mascara, we have the final eye look. Using the e.l.f. X Chipotle palette, all these beautiful colors. There's so many, and I fortunately couldn't get all of them on my eyes, but I think I did create a cute little festive look that reminds me, you know, be inspired by Chipotle and their food, and this is kind of what I came up with, and I really like it. It's really pretty. The pigmentation is great, you know, and of course it's also, it's not that expensive. Unfortunately, this is limited edition. So if you see this and you really want it, definitely see if it's still available at the time that I'm recording this. I do not know, but if I can find it still available, I will link it down below if you are interested and want to get this for yourself. I definitely recommend it. These are really cute. These colors, you could do so much with these colors. You can create very bold looks, especially very summery. I get a lot of summery vibes, or you could create something super, super casual. But all the pigment is amazing. I really like the eye look I came up with. Just something really cute, inspired by Chipotle. There were other things in this collection. There was an avocado sponge, which was so cute. I wanted it. It was sold out by the time I got on there. And there was a Elf does a lot of lip plumping gloss. This is from their Mint Melt collection, but they came out with a spicy one for this collection, a spicy pepper one. Was not able to get that. And they also came out with a makeup bag that closely resembles a Chipotle bag. That was also sold out. Literally, like I said, everything except this was sold out, but take a look at the eyes. I really like them. I think they're really cute. I just wanted to show you this collection really quick. This palette, I really like it. I give it a thumbs up. I think this is great. Elf doesn't do a lot of collabs, I feel like, so I really love that they did a collab. It was really weird that out of all of them they chose Chipotle, but they came up with an amazing palette. Like, these colors are really pretty. I really like them, and they're up my alley. So Elf, collab with more people. I love this. This is really cute. This is just, it's so pretty. I can't stop looking at all the colors. They're so cute. So yeah, anyway, I think I'm gonna end it there. Nothing too long or intense. Just wanted to show off the palette and the collection. It was so pretty. I love what I came up with. It's not an everyday look. Definitely wouldn't be wearing this out and about everywhere, but super cute. Anyway, please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, comment down below your thoughts on this collection. Also, what is your favorite meal from Chipotle? What do you get when you go there? Let me know in the comments below, because I don't go to Chipotle that often. And also subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every Monday and Wednesday, and I really appreciate it. If you really liked this look, I will be posting it on my Instagram if you want any close-ups and as it gets makeup. I post all my makeup looks on Instagram, and also I will be testing out more looks on this, and I'll probably be posting it on my Instagram or my TikTok. So Anna's It Gets Makeup on Instagram and TikTok, both of them. If you want to check me out, definitely follow. I post brand new looks every single day, so things that I don't put on YouTube end up on there as well. So definitely check that out if you are interested. And yeah, I hope you love this collection as much as I did, and have a wonderful day.